In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn anything into a cute, cozy drawing. We'll start with a simple croissant reference and slowly transform it into this soft little teddy bear. And to make the practicing easier, you will get the color palette and the Procreate Refined Sketch file for free, so you can draw and color your own cozy version too. So grab your iPad or sketchbook. We are starting. I start first by inserting the photo by tapping on branch tool, then insert a photo, and now I'm choosing the reference. Here I will resize the reference to fit the canvas. Now I will lower the opacity of the reference, and on a new layer above it I will choose the light red and my sleek ink brush to start drawing the first sketch. Now I will start drawing the main lines of the croissant. I will not draw each detail, I will just keep everything simple, and I will try only to draw the main lines as you see. And here I will add few lines inside the croissant to give the drawing depth. As I mentioned before, don't draw each detail, just make everything simple. Now I will turn off the visibility of the reference, and on a new layer I will choose the brown color and I will start refining the sketch. By following this method, you will learn how to practice drawing anything while slowly developing your own style. Right now, I'm only sketching the main shapes and lines based on the reference. In the next step, I'll start adding cozy details and personality to transform it into a cute drawing. For coloring, I prefer always to start with adding a black color just to make my drawing clear and clean. Here I'm adding a few details by adding different colors, and now I will use my grainy texture brush to smudge the colors. And this is one of my favorite ways to make a drawing feel softer and more natural. Instead of leaving the colors looking too flat or separated, gently blending them together helps create smoother transitions and gives the artwork a warmer, cozier feeling. When you're learning, try not to over smudge everything. Keeping some texture and brush strokes visible can make your art feel more alive. For this step, I created a new layer and set it to multiply mode to add texture and shadows. Here I'm adding highlights by creating a new layer, set it to screen mode and choosing the white color. Here I'm finishing the drawing by adding extra texture using my freckles brush. So this is how I usually color my drawing. At this stage, I'm mostly focusing on soft shading, warm colors, and keeping the original croissant shape simple and natural. Starting with a basic version like this makes it much easier to understand the form before stylizing it. Now comes my favorite part. In the next step, I will start transforming this simple croissant into a cozy teddy bear version by adding softer shapes, cute details, and more personality to make it feel warm and playful. For this step, I'm using the main sketch as a base to redraw and refine the croissant into a cozy teddy bear version. I duplicated the layer, and now I will create a new layer above it to draw the teddy bear croissant. Here I'm using my sleek ink brush and the brown color to draw it. I'm simplifying the shapes, removing extra details, and making the lines softer, fluffier, and more curved to give the drawing a warmer and cuter feeling. This is also the step where I start adding the tiny bear details like the ears and face to slowly bring the character to life. To sketch more naturally, I'm adding those cute lines inside the croissant, but I will not draw all the lines, just few lines, because I want to keep space to the face. Now I'll turn off the sketch and here I will add two cute ears by drawing the skirt line, and by using the adjusting tool I'm just adjusting the shape just like this. Let's draw the other ear here. Now I will add the eyes, nose and mouth. For the eyes I will draw this cute shape. I changed it lately because I feel that round eyes are more cuter for this bear. By using the adjusting tool I copied and pasted the other eye. Now I'll add a cute nose by drawing this triangle and this cute mouth. Here I will use the selection tool to adjust the shape. One of my favorite tools in Procreate is the selection tool. I use it a lot while sketching to adjust the shape, move parts around and make the drawing feel softer and fluffier without having to redraw everything again. Using it helps me push and pull the sketch little by little until the proportions feel more balanced and cozy. It's especially helpful when stylizing drawings because even tiny changes in the shape can make the character feel much cuter and more expressive. Here I changed the eyes as you see, and I'm just fixing the sketch line. And here's my croissant teddy bear is ready. If you enjoy watching this tutorial and want to know more about how I colored this cute teddy bear, please join my Patreon or my YouTube membership. There you will find extra details about everything I do for this tutorial. Hope you enjoy watching this video today. If you have any questions or recommendations, please leave them in the comments below. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.